and today I'm going to show you the mattress stitch with 2 pieces of stockinette fabric. To start mattress stitch, you're going to find a column of stitches to work with on each edge of your fabric. Right here I'm going to choose this column right here. To start, we're going to just pick up in that little gutter of the very first little bar in between those stitches on the one side. I'm going to pull yarn through that side, leaving a tail, and then I'm going to find the column I want to work with over here and find the very first little bar in between those stitches, just by using my needle to find it. See right there? And that's how we're going to set it up. Now from now on we're going to grab one bar from each column on each side, going back and forth, back and forth. To do this, on this side I'm going to find where the yarn is coming out. I'm going to put my needle in there and then just keep looking to see that I've only grabbed one bar in between there. Pulling my needle through. I'm going to go back to this other side where the yarn is coming out. Find the very next bar in that column of stitches. See where my needle's going? That's the column I'm working through, in between those columns of stitches. At this point, I'm going to tug it up, just holding on to the tail and at the top. See how it's kind of invisible right there. Do this every inch or so, just so you don't have to pull so hard at the end. To find where your next one is, just pull it apart just a little bit. Go in where the yarn is coming out, working in that same column. Find the next bar. Pull through. The other side, yarn is coming out right here, so I'm going to put my needle in right at that same spot. And find a little bar in between those column of stitches. This side, and where it's coming out, find the bar, go up. Then you just tug again. See how it disappears? And that's how you mattress stitch.